Opening statements began this afternoon in the Bo Dukes trial. He's the man who is charged with helping conceal the death of Tara-Grinstead. Now, she's the Irwin County teacher and beauty queen that vanished from her Ocilla home in 2005. Dukes is also charged with lying to GBI agents and hindering apprehension of a criminal. Chelsea Bimeford was in the courtroom all day. Here's a recap.
Monday morning, Bo Dukes sat at the front of a Wilcox County Superior courtroom with his defense lawyer.
Raise your right hands. I need to administer an oath to you. If you'll raise your right hand.
Judge Robert Chasteen addressed around 100 potential jurors in his courtroom, the prosecution and defense calling 48 of them to the jury box to select a qualified pool.
You're excused, and thank you for being here.
For nearly 6 hours, they worked to weed out the crowd, both sides asking the jury pool what they already knew about the case and if anything would cause them to have a biased opinion. Around 4 p.m., the jury was selected and opening statements began.
Tara was a daughter, a sister, a teacher, a cheerleading coach, pageant queen. She was one who invested her lives in others.
Cordele District Attorney Brad Rigby addressed the jury, telling them that Ryan Alexander Duke allegedly killed Grinstead, and Bo Dukes helped him burn her body in a pecan field owned by his family.
When they burned her body down to human bones and ashes.
Duke's defense lawyers were quick to rebut, reminding the jury that this trial is not about Grinstead's murder or the charges related to burning her body.
Those specific allegations, the allegations related to bone and the ash that the state talked about, are in a different county for a different jury on a different trial.
In Wilcox County, Chelsea Bimeford, 13 WMAZ News.
Bo Dukes will be back in Wilcox County Court tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. We'll be live streaming the trial on our website, 13WMAZ.com. Taking a closer look, these aren't the only charges against Bo Dukes right now in Houston County. Dukes faces a dozen charges after Warner Robins police say he kidnapped 2 women and sexually assaulted them in January. Dukes then led law enforcement on a 4-day manhunt. He faces charges for kidnapping, possession of a firearm, and rape. No trial date has been set for that case. Meanwhile, the trial for Grinstead's accused killer, Ryan Duke, is scheduled to begin in 2 weeks. Just last week, Duke submitted an alibi claiming he was asleep in his Ben Hill County trailer when Grinstead was killed. And this case has been years in the making. Head over to our 13WMAZ YouTube page, and we have a playlist with all the stories we've done about the twists and turns in the Grinstead case. You can stay up to date.